Severe storms have triggered widespread flooding across northern Mexico, with Nuevo León among the most affected regions.
Sí, ya vi.
Continuous heavy rainfall on the 19th of June 2026 rapidly overwhelmed drainage systems, pushing Arroyo Topo Chico in the Los Puentes area to near 95% capacity, according to civil protection authorities. In Monterrey and surrounding cities, sudden downpours turned streets into fast-moving waterways, leaving vehicles stranded and disrupting traffic. Areas near Park Fundadora were hit unexpectedly, as intense rain flooded key roads, forcing the suspension of public activities. Major routes such as Carretera a Laredo and Avenida Lázaro Cárdenas in Guadalupe were submerged, causing severe traffic paralysis. In San Nicolás de los Garza, flooding reached residential and commercial zones, with reports of water entering neighborhoods and damaging infrastructure.
¿Qué es, Raza, Ya no salgan. Mira cómo está. Ya los carros ya por la orillita porque ya está llenándose el camellón del central.
The storm system brought thunderstorms, hail, and strong winds across Monterrey, Apodaca, Santiago, and San Pedro Garza Garcia. Rapid temperature shifts were reported, dropping from extreme heat near 40 degrees Celsius to intense storm conditions within hours. Authorities confirmed a tragic incident in San Nicolás after a large advertising structure collapsed due to extreme winds and heavy rain, resulting in at least one fatality. Emergency teams continue assessing damage across affected areas. Public transportation was also disrupted, including a Ruta 13 bus stranded in floodwaters for hours, leaving passengers stuck in severe conditions. Power outages were reported in multiple districts, adding to the crisis. Civil protection agencies remain on high alert as river levels continue to rise and additional rainfall threatens further flooding. Officials warn that saturated ground conditions could worsen impacts in the coming hours.
Está desbordado el río Juan, no hay manera de pasar. Lamentablemente no podremos cruzar, nos están devolviendo a todos.